Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya, for those of you that are new and viewing. Today I'm installing this blonde wig from Ashimary hair. They sent over this beautiful, long, luxurious wig. We also have a little nice robe that they included. We have some goodies to help us install the wig. And can we talk about this bag? This is such a nice bag, so thank you for putting these items in it because I will definitely be reusing this bag. So they gave me an HD wig cap. They got some lashes in here, edge brush, a melt band, oh, even a razor to help cut the lace off. And it's just a case. Oh, they're glasses. Oh, they're foldable glasses. Cute. Some little sunshades. That's very cute. So let's get into this installation process. Starting off with this HD cap. Should we tweet or should we not? If you've never gotten you an HD wig cap, do so because it will literally change your life. Just a lot different compared to like the basic wig caps. I think I'm gonna do like a little, what do y'all think? I think I'm gonna do a should I or should I not? I want to. Ball cap method. I think I'm gonna do it. Grab two things. The OG Got2b spray and my blow dryer. I don't do this often, but I have high hopes this is gonna come out good.
I need to know you're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes hurt me, girl, come ride me. Fuck that feeling, both us fighting. Could he try most likely? Trying to see if you can handle the sex. Probably give us extra panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that thing was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it just one night. Take with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the good. Please slap me, choke me right. Oh, wait, I can take it. Give a fuck what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, what it's like? can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard.
Cause this is the side part? Or should I just stick to my middle?
Conversation, rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in the song. Alright.
Hey guys, here is the finished installation process. I thought I was gonna do a side part, but I went with the middle. But the blonde, it's giving. It's very, very cute. I love the length, love the density, love how it has like different variations of colors of blondes. It's not just all one straight color. Love the ash. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts. If you're interested in a blonde wig, check out Ashimary. I'll have their link in my description bar below. Thank you, Ashimary, for sending this over. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.